Where are you? I'm at home. Why are you studying English? I love learning new languages. What time does the flight leave?
It leaves at 5 o'clock. Should I go to the store? No. I'll go. Are you leaving now? Yes, I am. Did you like the movie? It's one of the best I've ever seen. Do you want to walk to the hotel? I don't know. How far is it? When are you ready? Oh, in 5 minutes. Did you do your homework? No. I didn't have time. What's your job? I run my own business. Do you go to the gym? Sure. What are your hobbies? I like reading and English. How do you use this camera? Give it to me and I'll show you. Anyone want more coffee? Yes, please. Is this worth $500? No, it can't be worth that. How many friends do you have? Just one. Do you often go to the cinema? Once a month. What color is your hat? It's a pale blue color. What are you going to do tonight? I'll go to the party. Can you talk to me now? Okay, good. What will you do tomorrow? I think I'll stay at home. Are you sure you can come on Tuesday? Otherwise, I'll have to give the tickets to someone else. When will you see Pablo again? I'm not sure. I might see him this summer. Are these your keys? Yes, they are. How tall are you? I'm about 6 feet tall. Is it going to be fine? Perhaps not. I can see clouds over there. What do you like doing in your free time? I like reading books in English. What are your plans for the future? I'd like to get a good education and find a well-paid job. How is business? Business is good. How are you getting to Paris? We're going by plane. Don't you want to go to the party? No, I don't want to go. Should we have dinner at home? No, let's go to a restaurant. What is he like? He's very friendly and intelligent. Where have you put the tea? They're on the kitchen counter. Where are my keys? I don't know. They were on the table, but they're not there now. What are you doing? I'm doing my homework. How was your mother? Thanks, fine. Did anything happen at the meeting? No, nothing special. What did you do last night? I stayed at home. Did you remember to call your mother? No, I completely forgot. I'll call her tomorrow. What are you doing this weekend? I don't know, I might go hiking. Have you got a pocket calculator? No. I'm afraid not to. You like shopping? Yes, I'm a shopaholic. Can you play tennis? Yes, I can play tennis. Will be Ganesh here tomorrow? No. He won't. Have you met our sales manager? Yes, we have already met. Am I late? Yes, you are. Is Hitomi working tomorrow? I suppose so. How long have you been dating? For about half a year. What do you want me to do with the box? Put it down. What do you think about this place? I really like this place. Have you ever played basketball? Just once. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to learn English. Thanks for watching.